Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this particular video, I will show you the breakdown of what I'll be looking out for throughout the week. The key levels I'll be paying attention to, the trade I will be taking, how I will do it. So I'll show you everything. I'm a day trader. I do my analysis from 4-hour time frame down to 15 minutes time frame. So I use 4 hours to analyze my weekly high and low. Then I use 1 hour to check out the overall trend of the market. Then I'll bring it down to 15 minutes to check the current trend and also plot out my key level so I can determine my entries and my exits. That's what I do. So let's dive into it. So this is GBPUSD. So I want to show you what I'll be looking out for. Everything. So as a day trader, I start with 4 hours analysis. So what do? I use 4 hours to determine the highs and low of the week. So like this, how I get this line. Come here, settings here, you come to event down here, then this season break, you just tick it on. You see the line will be there because that season break is what you will use to know the new day. Like today now is Monday, so today is Monday. So what I do is I use my horizontal ray to mark out the highs and low of the week. That's how do I determine the highs and low of the week. I use the first two candles, that's the first 4 hours candle stick. That's what I use. So like now I mark out this is the high of this candle. Then you see here, this is the second candle. I mark the low, around here. And I will also label this. I have to label it. So weekly high, and have to label this one too. Weekly low. Weekly low. That will help me to know when I go to smaller time frame. I will also know what I'm doing. That's why I label it. So now I've marked out the high and low of the week, which is the first 4 hours candlestick. What do? I go back to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is what I will use to determine the current trend of the market, like the overall trend of the market. Sorry, I'll use for 1 hour to determine the current trend of the market. So the current trend now, you look at it, this trend is already making higher highs and higher lows, and you know how to determine trend. The touch here, also see another touch here coming off here. So I'm gonna take this out. So I'll take my trend line to pick this level. I connect this one here, draw it, I connect it with this one, and straight down. That's my overall trend for the week. That's what I'll be looking at. I'll pay attention to this particular trend because this particular trend line is what market will likely react to. The trend line, the high and low of the week, the trend line is what market will really react. So I'll pay attention to it. So after I've drawn this level, using 4 hours to determine the high and low, using the trend line to know the overall trend, like that's on 1 hour time frame. So what will I be doing throughout the week? I'll now take my chart to 15 minutes because that's where I take my entries. I take my chart to 15 minutes to know the current trend. Remember, that was the 1 hour trend was the overall trend of the market. So 15 minutes is what I'll be using for current trend. So what will I be doing in this 15 minutes? What I'll be doing is to pay attention to what the market is doing, like the chart pattern, current trend of the market, and weak rejection. Because before I take any entries, there are some certain criteria that need to be met. Like last week, almost all my trades was a winning one. So that's exactly what I'll be doing. So this is exactly what I do on charts. I determine this level. I come down to 15 minutes. I break it down to know my entries. And when it comes to 15 minutes, before I take my entries, there are other things I do too, like round numbers. Those round numbers are very important too, because those are the confluences I will match together to know what to do. When market get to a round number and the round number is very close to a weekly high and maybe a trend line, then I see a chart pattern there, that's when I'll be taking my entries. So throughout the week, I'll be updating you. You'll be seeing everything. Monday today is just to show you the overall lookout for the week. Today is Monday. I don't trade on Monday. That's how I was trained. I don't trade on Monday. What I do on Monday is to do my analysis, mark up my level, so I know what I will be doing from Tuesday to Friday. So that's exactly what I do on charts. That's exactly what I do on charts. So that's it all. So just stay safe and keep your eyes on the chart. Pay attention to this level if you're a day trader. And I will be giving you updates on the Telegram channel. If you are not part of that Telegram channel, the link is in the description box below. Just go check it out. Join the channel so that you can get all the updates. And subscribe to this channel if you are new. If you are not a subscriber yet, subscribe to the channel. Then like the video if you like the video. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like, still like it. So still like the video, then comment on the section box anything you want me to, make a video on. Anything you don't understand, I'll probably do that for you. So drop any comment on the section box so I can do that for you. So for now, that will be all for today. Stay safe, keep your eyes on the charts. For now, I'll say goodbye. Thank you.